Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest tech products to help you make smart buying decisions. Today we're taking a close look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo, a drone that promises professional features in a highly portable package. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core capabilities of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, starting. The 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with sharp detail and vibrant colors, and the true vertical filming. Nightscape Omnidirectional obstacle sensing uses LiDAR and vision sensors to detect obstacles in all directions, greatly enhancing safety for flights. You can enjoy up to 36 minutes of flight time with a single intelligent flight battery, and the combo includes its ultralight, palm-sized, and foldable design means this drone slips easily into a pocket, weighing approximately 249. The imaging and flight performance metrics show that the DJI Mini 5 Pro packs a serious. Next, let's break down the overall value proposition and factors related to owning. The Fly More combo is incredibly comprehensive, including the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the DJI RC2 controller, 3 intelligent. It offers 42 gigabytes of internal storage, which is a great addition for those moments when you might forget your. The DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play, meaning you need to download it directly from the official. Priced at $989.00, this is a premium drone, but for what you get in the Fly More combo, including. When considering the value and ownership aspects, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers a complete package. Ultimately, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo stands out as an incredibly capable drone for its compact size, delivering professional-grade imaging and advanced safety features. While the app installation process is a minor hurdle, the included Fly More accessories add significant value to this premium package.